Alright, I'm just gonna say almost everything you've seen about Pinterest affiliate marketing is misleading. Most of the tutorials out there skip the real strategy that actually makes money. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact process that works right now, step by step, even if you're starting from zero with no money and no website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your first dollars online using Pinterest. Additionally, if you stick till the end of the video, I have a bonus gift for those who are actually willing to give it a try. Don't miss it, and let's jump straight in. First, head to Pinterest.com and create a free business account. Enter your email, password, and birth date, and click Create Account. If you already have a personal Pinterest account, don't worry. You can switch it over to a business one in your account settings. When Pinterest asks about your business type, select Content Creator. For your business name, you can just use your own name or a simple placeholder for now. We'll optimize that later when you pick your niche. Set your country to the United States. That gives you better exposure and more affiliate options. When it asks if you have a website, click I don't have one. That's totally fine. And for your business goal, choose create content and grow an audience. When Pinterest asks for your brand focus, select other. That'll give us flexibility later when we pick what to post. Once that's done, close out any pop-ups or tips and you'll land on your Pinterest business dashboard. This is where the fun starts. This next part is where most people mess up. They pick something they personally like instead of what people are actually searching for. Here's the smarter way. Go to the Pinterest Business Hub, click on Audience Insights, and select all Pinterest users. This page shows real-time data from over 450 million Pinterest users. Pick a niche that already has strong engagement. For example, I like home decor. It's super popular and has around 80% user interest right now. Click on it, and Pinterest will show you subtopics like room decor, wall, and home accessories. Scroll down, and you'll see demographics like age, gender, and country. If you see a lot of US traffic, that's perfect, because US buyers tend to convert better for affiliate products. Click into one of the sub niches like room decor and you'll see real posts that are trending right now. Check out the ones with the shop the look tag. Every item in there, like lamps, couches, mirrors, is an affiliate link. When someone clicks and buys, that creator earns a commission. Now that you've chosen a niche, let's make your profile look professional. Click your profile picture, then edit profile. For your name, use your real name or a simple brand name and then add a keyword right after it. For example, instead of just your name, use fantasy home, charge, home decor, and design. It helps Pinterest rank you for those searches. Next, upload a clean, high-quality photo or logo. Then write a short, friendly bio, include 2 or 3 keywords naturally. Something like, here you can find the best home decor ideas. If you have a website, you can link it, but if not, leave it blank for now. Keep your username simple and relevant, then click Save. Now your profile is optimized for Pinterest search, which helps your content show up faster. Pinterest loves organized accounts. That's why you should create at least 5 boards around your niche. Click Saved, then Create Board. Give each board a keyword-rich title, like Modern Living Room Ideas or DIY Home Essentials. Then start pinning content from other creators into those boards. Add about 10 to 15 pins per board that already perform well. This helps Pinterest understand what your account is about and boosts your visibility from day one. To post things people actually want to see, go to Pinterest Trends. Type your niche in the search bar, for example, home decor. Sort by weekly change to see what's growing fast. You might find something spiking 200%, but check the chart. If it's a sudden 1-week spike, it'll probably fade fast. Instead, look for keywords that have consistent growth, like moody home decor. Those steady patterns mean reliable traffic. Scroll down to see related keywords. That gives you endless ideas for new pins and products. Once you've got your niche and keywords, it's time to sign up for Amazon Associates. It's free and lets you earn commissions every time someone buys through your link. Just visit Amazon Associates website and follow the steps. Now, here's where things get fun. We're going to use ChatGPT 5 to generate image prompts, Pinterest titles, and SEO descriptions, all in seconds. You don't need the paid version, the free one works fine. You can use a similar prompt I've used here, paste it into ChatGPT, and enter your niche and keywords. For example, moody home decor living room. ChatGPT will give you several detailed image prompts plus ready-made Pinterest titles and descriptions. Now, go to lmarena.ai, choose direct chat, click on image generation, and select Nano Banana. Now, paste one of those prompts and hit enter. In seconds, you'll have a stunning image that looks totally real. Download it and save it. Do this for 3 to 5 images, that's your daily content. Rename each one using the title ChatGPT gave you. It helps to keep your files organized. Don't start posting affiliate pins right away. Pinterest is strict about new accounts. For the first 2 to 3 weeks, post 1 or 2 normal pins a day. No affiliate links. You can even repin from other creators to make your account look active. Engage a bit, comment, like, and follow other accounts in your niche. Pinterest will see that you're a real creator, not a spammer. After that, start mixing in affiliate pins. For example, 2 regular pins and 1 affiliate pin per day. After a month, you can increase to 3 to 5 pins daily while keeping that balance. That's how you keep your account safe and growing long term. Once your account is warmed up, go to Create Pin. Upload one of the AI images you made. For the title and description, grab the SEO optimized text ChatGPT generated. Paste those in. They already include your main keywords and a short call to action. Leave the link section empty for now. Don't paste your Amazon link directly there. Choose a board that matches your pin and add 5 to 6 relevant tags. Now let's make your pin profitable. Go back to your image and right click on one of the items and choose Search Google for image. Then add Amazon to your search. Find a similar product on Amazon, open it, and copy your affiliate link using the Amazon Associates toolbar. Back on Pinterest, click Add Product, paste your link, and Pinterest will pull in that exact item. Make sure to toggle the affiliate disclosure. That tells Pinterest this is a sponsored link. Add up to 5 products per pin, like the lamp, rug, shelves, and wall art. If you get an invalid link error, just use the full Amazon link instead of the short version. Once we get everything in place, don't forget that Pinterest loves consistency. Here are the best posting times that perform well. 8 a.m. when people check Pinterest in the morning, 2 p.m. lunch break. Scroll time, 8 p.m. evening planners and shoppers. Schedule 3 pins for those times each day. 1 affiliate, 2 normal. That mix keeps your account safe and builds momentum. And here's the truth, you won't make a ton overnight, but if you post 3 quality pins daily, stay consistent, and follow this strategy, you should start seeing traffic and sales within about 3 months. Forget the get rich fast hype. This is real, sustainable affiliate income. But if you still need some guidance, I've got you covered. I put together a full video that breaks down 13 real ways to make money with affiliate marketing, step by step. It's over 5 hours of pure sauce, packed with everything I wish I knew when I started. Now, here's the deal. For the first 10 people, you'll get 50% off. Just use the discount code down below when you grab it. So if you're serious about making this work, hit that link in the description, use the discount code, and drop a comment that says, "I'm in." I want to see who's really ready to take action and start building something real. Listen, it's all about consistency. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep showing up. Post your pins, test what works, tweak your strategy, and don't quit when things move slow at first. Because the truth is, that's where most people give up, right before it actually starts working. If you stay consistent and keep improving a little every day, you'll be amazed at what your Pinterest account can become. It can go from a blank profile to a full-on income stream faster than you think. So go grab the guide, use that 50% off code before it's gone, and let's start making moves together. You got this. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. See you in the next video.